In this video, we will cover the main settings of your website as well as billing. So let's click on the settings icon to open it up. Let's start on the left-hand side. The first thing you're going to do is add a website title, which will be the name of your company, your church, your business, or whatever. Next, you will add a description, like your company's slogan or your tagline. These two items will show at the top of the user's browser window in the tab, as well as in the history and on Google search results. Next is search engine keywords. Here you will type in any keywords related to your company, separated by a comma and a space, and don't worry about capitalizing. Next, you type in your search engine description. This also shows up when somebody searches for your website. Let me show you. Suppose I was looking for a plumber. I type in plumber in the search bar, and a list of websites comes up. Each one shows the title, which on your site will also include the description, and the actual link to the website, and then your search engine description. As you can see, it's only a couple of lines long, so try to keep it short because the rest will get cut off anyways. Next is your admin email and your backup email, and these should always be up to date. This is what the system will use to send you any alerts or important information regarding your account. Also, if you forget your username and password, these are the emails that the system will send that info to, so they have to be up to date. Your PayPal email is optional, and we'll cover that in the PayPal how-to video. And then there's two usernames and passwords, so you can set up a secondary one which will allow another user access to the dashboard without giving them your primary password. Now, anytime you make changes in this left-hand column, you need to click the Save Changes button. Now let's move over to the Fave icon section. The Fave icon is the little icon that shows in your browser URL window or tab. When you're logged into the dashboard, you see this Fave icon. Notice how small it is. Now when you upload your image, the system will automatically shrink it down to the proper size, but keep in mind that Fave icons are very small, so you can't see small details, so try to keep it simple. And once you upload your Fave icon, it will show up in this box. Now if you're logged into the dashboard or using the temporary link to get to your website, you will see our logo as your Fave icon. But once you point your domain name and your website is live, and you go directly to your website, your Fave icon will show up. So let's go ahead and upload one. We select the file, and there it is. Your Fave icon is now set. Now this area over here is for billing. It shows you that your current status is active, the plan that you are on, and how many days you have remaining on your service. Now once this starts getting down to only a few days, the system will email you to let you know it's time to renew your service. You can use the link in the email, or you can click this link anytime to renew your website service for another year. And you don't lose those days you have left. When you renew service, it adds the year on to whatever days you still have left. You can also upgrade your account. If you're on a plan that has limited pages or media files, and your website grows and needs more pages, you can upgrade anytime and you only pay the prorated amount based on how many days you have left on your service. You can also cancel anytime, but of course we don't want you to cancel, so if you ever have any problems or need help, please contact us. We want you to be happy, we want you to be successful, and we want your website to be successful. So don't hesitate to get a hold of us. We're here to help you. And one last thing. If you are logged in as the secondary user, you will not see the username and passwords. You will not be able to change any of the emails or the phone number. And you will not see the cancel account button. For security reasons, only the primary user has access to those. And that's it for settings and billing.